Hello. It is Sunday. Y'all know I don't never, May 28th. Y'all know I don't never know the damn date. I think I'm gonna vlog a little bit today. It has been a rough few days. Yesterday was my dad's birthday, and if you watch my vlogs, you know my dad passed away 4.5 years ago. It'll be 5 years in October. So it's been a rough few days. Thank goodness somebody was nice enough to get me out of the house, out of my apartment. I need to clear my head. So I think I'm gonna vlog a little bit while I'm in the car. Don't think I'm gonna get out of the car. At least I'm out of my apartment. Cried a little bit yesterday, cried a little bit today, cried a little bit over the last few days. It's just been a rough few days, and then Father's Day is right around the corner. I'm gonna be sad again in a few weeks. Sucks that his birthday and Father's Day are like back to back, so I don't get any time to really breathe. But it is what it is. I guess y'all are just right along with me a little bit today. I was editing. I guess that'll get pushed till tomorrow. I'd rather be out clearing my head, spending time outside of my apartment. I'll finish editing tomorrow. Y'all can just come along with me. Dark circles. This is what grief looks like. Okay, be back. I don't know, at some point. Bye. Disregard my hair. I just got out of the shower like 20 minutes ago or something, so I just put some laundry in the washing machine. I'm picking up where I left off yesterday. I didn't vlog nearly as much as I wanted to when I was out yesterday. I was just kind of living in the moment. It's very hard for me to vlog when I'm out somewhere because I be living in the moment. I need to start taking my camera with me. If I take my camera with me versus me trying to do it on my phone, I think I'll remember to do it. I was just living in the moment yesterday, but I may or may not go somewhere today. So if I do, I'm gonna make it a point to take my camera with me and I'm gonna vlog. If not, I'll just vlog what I'm doing at home. I'm about to make me some iced coffee because I'm extremely tired. I had a wild long night last night and a wild morning this morning. I got probably 6, maybe 7 hours of sleep, but not like solid sleep. Like 3 to 4 hours, and then woke up and was up for like 3 hours and then went back to sleep for like 3 hours. Broken sleep, even if it's 6 or 7, is not going to be good. It's not going to be enough. Hence, that's why I need the iced coffee. So I'm going to fix me some iced coffee, and my food's not going to make any sense. I went to Popeyes yesterday and I got a 2-piece dinner, and I ate the whole first piece of chicken, and the second piece I ate like half of it. I didn't eat any of the mashed potatoes. I didn't eat the biscuit, so I'm gonna put that with some of the rice and roast beef that I made the other day. So it's not gonna make sense, but it's gonna be good. I eat weird like that, but why not? I'm not gonna throw away the rest of my Popeyes food. So I'm just gonna put it with what I already got. So I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna try to finish editing the vlog that I started editing yesterday. I didn't plan on going anywhere yesterday. That was just spur of the moment, which I was totally fine. I needed to get out of the house, out of my apartment, because it's a lot on my mind. My dad's birthday was Saturday. I needed to get out of the house. I'm gonna eat and try to finish editing the vlog. If I end up having to go somewhere today, then I won't finish it. That's okay. But I'm gonna eat first. Make me some iced coffee. This is it, the roast beef. I put it over some of the pasta instead of the rice, or the rest of the pasta that I had, so I can get rid of that. The mashed potato that I didn't eat, the biscuit that I didn't eat, and the rest of the chicken. Make it make sense. It don't make sense, but still gonna be a good meal. And watching last night Real Housewives of Atlanta. And the iced coffee that I just made, and root beer is in here. I need this coffee so bad. So tired. I'm gonna take a quick little trip to Walmart. I need to get some groceries for myself for the week, and since my mom is on her way here to pick up my son, I'm gonna go get some groceries and then come back and edit. I think I'm gonna be a little occupied later. I have somewhat of a busy day, but I will come back with groceries. Well, no, I'll vlog while I'm in the car, maybe in the store. I'm very weird about doing that. I feel like people be looking at you. And for sure, I'll do a little grocery haul, whatever I get. I don't even know what I'm gonna get for the week. I just last minute thought about, well, since she's coming to pick him up, I need some groceries for the week, so might as well get some groceries for the week. I don't even know what I'm gonna get though, so I guess I'll figure that out when I'm in the store. I don't know. I'll be back in a little bit. excite you? It excites me. I love motorcycles. Say hello. I'm back home. Just got home and my son just left. He brought up everything. I brought up a few bags, but when I come up here I don't go back down. That's his job. That's the least he could do. I am going to start getting this stuff up on the stove and the counter so I can show y'all. I'm probably gonna have to do it in 2 parts. I don't know, we'll see. So I'm gonna get it up and then I'll go through it like I always do. Then I'm gonna put it away. I'm gonna edit. I ate before I left. When I get this stuff put away, I'm gonna edit. Definitely not gonna get a vlog up now for today because it's 7:55. Hopefully I can get done editing before my company gets here. We'll see. If not, I'll finish tomorrow. I don't have nothing to do tomorrow that I know of. Let's get this stuff up and I'll show y'all what I got. And definitely starting the healthy kick with this stuff. There are some snacks, but me and my son are gonna cut back. Like for me, I eat, like if I have a box of Twinkies, I eat 2 at a time, so that could be 4 a day. Gonna cut back on that and eat something sweet once a day. I'm not gonna go cold turkey because I'm not gonna torture myself. I don't feel like that's the healthy way to even change your eating habits. I think you need to wean yourself off, you know, not just go cold turkey. But that's how I'm gonna do it. I'm not gonna torture myself, so I'm gonna allow myself to have 1 sweet a day. 1 sweet a day versus twice a day times 2, you know, like 1 Twinkie a day versus 4 Twinkies. I'll take it. Let me get this stuff up so I can show y'all what it is and get it put away. And I need to charge my camera because it just half the battery now. Let's go. This is better. So this is everything. I'm gonna start from here and go over here. So the first thing is some tomatoes. This bag actually had 6. It has 4 in it now. It had 6. I took out 2 because there's just no way I was gonna be able to eat, cook 6 before they went bad. Probably not gonna be able to do 4. I'm not a tomato eater, but I'm gonna use them in something. I can put them in something, but eating them like this, hell fuck no. So I probably paid for 6 and got 4, but I was getting ready to leave and I just wasn't gonna go back, and yeah, whatever. So tomatoes, sometimes I'll eat these. It's been a minute. Disregard my nail, the polish is chipping off of this one. It is a chicken Caesar lettuce wrap, some mayo. Even though I'm not a mayo eater, I'll put it on stuff, eat it that way, and I don't have any. Y'all saw last week, I don't even know if I included it in the vlog, but I had a whole one that was in the cabinet that I never opened and it expired, so I threw it out. Need some mayo. This is not for me. I don't eat Alfredo, but I got it for somebody else. Got 2 of them. Not for me. I don't do Alfredo. The sauce is disgusting to me. Come for me if you want. I think it's nasty. To each his own, but got it for somebody else. And because I'm trying to be on my health kick, never heard of pink lady apples before, but I wanted some apples and I'm gonna eat it with caramel sauce because I'm not really a fruit eater. I'm more of a veggie eater, but if I eat it with some caramel sauce, I can eat it. And I saw something on Instagram, these with, I think it's cucumbers. I think that might be it. And you make your own like vinegar style dressing and you let it sit and you eat it like that. It looked really good, so I wanted to try it. But clearly I'm going to season mine way more than the lady did because, you know, I seasons my shit. But these are mini peppers. And because I'm almost out of chicken gravy, got 2 of them. Y'all know I love this. I cooks it in a lot of stuff. I needed the vinegar for what I'm gonna make with this, and just to have vinegar, apple cider vinegar, some syrup because I am out of syrup, and I also got some pancakes, so needed that. I'm out of olive oil. I try not to run out, so that's why I got the big one this time. So hopefully it'll last me a little minute. I said little because I go through olive oil, but I got the big one, so I'm good for a little minute. I wanted green bell peppers, but I swear Walmart never has green bell peppers anymore. They're so hard to find. They're almost becoming extinct. They didn't have any. I got the little red and yellow trio. Some chicken fajita because I'm gonna make salad. Some steak fajitas. Figured I could put this over some salad maybe, or another way. For sure probably gonna put it over some salad. Gonna re-season it, recook it though, you know, because this shit probably ain't got no flavor. Oh, I got the wrong one. Okay, I'm gonna give these to my mom. Fuck. I don't know, maybe I might try to eat them. These were supposed to be the sausage links. Damn it. I was trying to get out of the store. I did not read carefully. Yeah, those should have been the links, not the patties. So I'm either gonna try to eat them or I'm gonna give it to my mom because I know she likes these. I like the links, not the patties. We'll see. Got some shrimp. Don't know how I'm gonna cook it, but it's shrimp. Hell, I'll eat it just shrimp, seasoned real good. So, oh, fuck, I forgot to get butter. God damn it. Shit. Damn. Okay, well, I'll just have to wait to cook that because I need butter. I mean, I got a little bit, but I'll be gonna use that butter by then. Yeah, I'm gonna get some more butter at some point. But shrimp, I have not had arugula in so long, but I saw it and, you know, trying to get on this health kick. So I got some arugula, spring mix, 2 things of the cooked bacon. This is one of them. I'm gonna just eat it as bacon, and one is gonna go in something that I'm gonna make. And some cucumbers for this again, and for something else I'm gonna make. Turkey bacon. I wanted this kind last time, the uncured, but they didn't have it. Got it this time. This is gonna be the treat for myself, but I'm not gonna eat as much as I normally would. But I'm surprised that I saw this because normally pecan pie is seasonal, like fall, and it's summer. They don't normally have pecan pie out in the summer. I saw it, I had to get it. I wanted some waffles, so I got some waffles. I don't have cooking pans, like stove pans, so my mom got these for me. These are a set of 2, and then this one. Lord knows I still need certain cookware 2 years later. Slowly but surely, but at least I got these. So now I can make stuff in the oven if I want to without trying to figure it out in little ass pans. And some Yoo-hoos, because y'all know I need my Yoo-hoos. I drink those like if I'm editing a vlog. I edit when I first wake up normally, so I don't eat when I first get up. So I'll drink a Yoo-hoo to hold me. Yoo-hoos are my godsend. Need those. I got some of this Simply lemonade and this Tropicana Caribbean Sunset. Big ass box of chips between myself, my son, and somebody else. Those 2 are more greedy than I am though. This should last a minute. And I'm also going to use the Doritos in something that I'm going to be making, because their recipe called for like Doritos style chips. Some cookies, again, not going to eat it like I normally do, 1 a day versus 4 a day, but that's going to be my little sweet treat. Plantains, it's been a minute since I've gotten plantains. Gonna have somebody show me how to make them Jamaican style, and then one I'm gonna make how I like it. But the one that I make for myself, I'm gonna let it sit, let it ripen up more, because I personally like for mine to be yellow, but this person wanted green ones. 1 I'm not gonna use right now, and I think 2 we're gonna cook today, I think, in a Jamaican style, because they're Jamaican, so I just want to try it how they do it. And normally y'all know when I make like grinder sandwiches, because that's what I'm making, I do like garlic toast or bread or something, but I wanted to step away from that. And this sourdough looked really good, so I'm gonna try it with sourdough. And I have been seeing people dying over this. I don't know how you say it, Tajay, I don't know, but I remembered, and then I saw it, I was like, let me get this and see what all the hype is about. Hopefully I like it. I don't know, I've never tasted it, and y'all know I love my Ghirardelli sea salt caramel, so I got 2 of them. And right now I'm in love with Colby Jack cheese. I wanted this one and the big one, but they didn't have it, so I got 2 of the regular size one. And I needed some sliced cheese for the grinder sandwich that I'm gonna make, and it had to be Colby. So cheddar jack, Colby Jack, yes please. Sprite, for some reason I had a taste for Sprite. I think I'm just kind of getting sick of like the dark sodas, because I'm more of a dark soda drinker. Like cherry Coke is my favorite, Dr. Pepper cherry is my favorite, Dr. Pepper. I'm just more of a dark soda drinker, but I'm just wanting something more crisp right now, so I got Sprite. Got a 12-pack of Red Bulls, because me and somebody else that's greedy will go through these, so I got a 12-pack. And I'm doing something different with the grinder sandwich. I got the recipe off Instagram. These people on Instagram with these recipes, yes, but I've never done, because I'm not like a turkey ham type eater, I'm a chicken eater, but this one called for turkey, so I got some turkey sliced. Hopefully I got enough. I'm gonna make it for me and somebody else probably tomorrow, not today. This is everything. I didn't think I was gonna be able to get all this stuff up here, but I did. So I'm gonna get this put away, and I'm actually gonna take the clothes out of the dryer, put those away, and then I'm gonna edit as much as I can. This is everything. My groceries for the week and a half. I need to get some butter though. turkey grinder sandwich. I only made half because it's a lot, and then also had some chips with it. But I just knew I couldn't eat a whole one. I did fix a whole one for somebody else though, but not for myself. But this is the finished sandwich. It was really good. Still trying to eat on these grinder sandwiches. Made more last night, but I toasted the bread, and that'll be in my next vlog. And then I'm gonna finish eating what I made last night today, like the filling of it. So I'm gonna make sandwiches. But I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. Like always, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.